Hello Internet, thanks for tuning in into Lifestyle Infinite. Welcome to another DIY video. Today we are going to build something spectacularly boring. The ultimate modular LED lighting solution 6000. I hope at least the name elevates your experience. I needed a simple solution for my lighting needs while filming or streaming. I could not find a single product in existence which fits the bill. Let's create something simple, modular, and cheap. There are three components necessary. First one is the lighting source. Second comes the power supply. Lastly, power or intensity controller. We are using 12-volt single color LED strips. Primarily, I need white light, but I also have a strip of pink LEDs lying around for some reason, so I will use them too. These LED strips are not bad on its own, but these get quite hot during use. If nothing is done to dissipate the heat, it might cause fire. And the lights from these strips are quite harsh, so something to diffuse it would be a good idea. I got these LED strip channels custom cut into half meter each. They are made out of aluminum, which dissipates the heat quite efficiently. They also have a translucent window, which dissipates the light to my liking. These LEDs can be powered by a box standard 12-volt DC power supply. I recommend at least using 2 amps, the more the better. Each component should be modular, which is all the components should have a provision to connect or disconnect on a whim. I will solder a male and a female barrel connector to each of the component, where output ports are male connectors and input ports are female connectors, for the sake of simplicity. For the power regulation, I will add a pre-made PWM controller. They are dirt cheap, small, and easy to work with. The power regulation will also be modular. I will connect only if it's necessary. Everything is held together by solder, double-sided tape, and electrical tape. I also used shrink wrap whenever I remembered to use it. With the technicalities out of the way, let's finish making it.
want you to stay. I 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 want you to stay.
Looks like they are made by a 6-year-old, but it serves the purpose. To my surprise, the controller also had a strobe lighting functionality, which is unnecessary, but can be handy to trick someone else into thinking the light is shiny. Looks like the ultimate modular LED lighting solution 6000 is complete. Up next, I will be making the RGB variant, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the future videos. And it also helps the channel a lot. See you next time. Peace out.